This is verse 19 of the 13th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus is explaining now to his disciples the meaning of the parable of the sower, or sometimes called the parable of the four soils. And here he begins to explain the significance of the first of those soils. So we have pantos, pasa, pon, adjective, means all or every. This is the genitive singular, because it's part of a genitive absolute, as we'll see. So every one, this is the singular, akouontas. This is a present active participle from akouo, masculine singular genitive. Again, it's genitive absolute. So every one who hears, all who hear is the idea. Tone, the accusative, direct object, masculine singular, logon, the word, tone logon, again the accusative. Everyone who hears the word tes basileos, of the kingdom, in the genitive singular. So the word of the kingdom, kai, the connective, and then also part of the same genitive absolute, me, negation, sunientos, from suniemi. The sun means together. The emi part of that is from a verb that means to send. It's not used in the New Testament independently, but to send together is the idea here. So from that is the notion of putting it together or getting it, understanding it. And so the one who, all who hear the word of the kingdom and do not understand it, impliedly, the entire phrase here, from here to here, is genitive absolute, using two genitive participles here. Then the principal sentence begins, ho, the poneros, the evil one, erketai, comes. So for all of those who don't understand it, the evil one comes, and harpagzai. This is from harpazo. It's distantly related to airo, to take up or to take away. This means to take away more or less by force. It's, I think, distantly related to our word harpoon. I'm not certain about that, but it seems to follow. So the evil one comes and takes away, harpadze, he takes away, to, esparmenon. Esparmenon is from spero, which means to sow. This is a perfect passive participle. That which was sown is the idea. It's the neuter singular accusative. So the evil one comes and takes away the having been sown, in te cardia, in the heart, autu, of him. So this seed fell along the wayside, as Jesus is going to say. It's there on the solid ground, kind of like on packed dirt or even concrete, something like that. And so Jesus says of that before it can sink in at all, hutos, this one, demonstrative pronoun, estin, third person singular of emi, I am, ho, para, the along the way, para, tain, hodon, speres. Speres here is the idea of, again, from spero, it's the aorist passive participle, masculine singular nominative. This is the along the way, having been sown. It's nominative because the estin here takes a predicate nominative. So this one is that which has been sown along the way. The first of the types of soil that is mentioned by Jesus in the parable itself, reflecting those who hear the word in some sort of way. It's kind of a glancing blow. It lands there. It doesn't really take any root at all. It doesn't take long before the evil one can snatch that seed away, and that's really the end of the story with respect to these who have only the most superficial exposure to the gospel.